Welcome to my channel Geography with Nandranath. Today I explain hailstorm. This is very important. Must you will subscribe and share my channel. A hailstorm is thunderstorm that produce ice as the precipitation, and the hailstorm can cause serious damage to crops and properties in India. Hailstorm mostly affect the northwest and western Himalaya. With the maximum strikes in the March and April, the hailstorm is an unusually weather phenomena, and this which balls of ice and called the hail and fall from the sky. Their ice wall are nothing more than solid precipitation that will form under the certain condition. Hailstorm is a severe weather phenomena which cause the extensive damage to crops, property and livestock. Hail is solid precipitation made of balls of the irregular lumps of ice, which is called the hailstone. And the hailstone, unlikely group, there are the snow ice pellets, and that the smaller and translucent, and the hail sheet and the hailstone, and this basically the consist mostly water ice, and the measures between 5 mm to 15 cm diameters. Any thunderstorm which produce hail that reach the ground is the termed hailstorm. Hail is type of precipitation or water in the atmosphere. Hail is formed when the drops of water freezing together into the cold upper region of the thunderstorm cloud. This chunk is the ice are called hailstorm. Most hailstorm measures between 5 mm and 15 cm in diameter and can be round or judged. Hailstorms are not frozen raindrops. Frozen rain falls as water and freezes it is near to the ground, and hail actually fall as solids. So definitely hailstones are formed by the larger of the water reaching the freezing in a large cloud. A frozen droplet begin to the fall from a cloud and during the storm, but it is the pushed back up into the cloud by a strong updrift of winds. When the hailstone is lifted, it is the liquid water droplets, and those droplets when the freeze to the hailstone, adding the another layer to it, and the hailstone eventually falls to the earth when it is become too heavy to remain in the cloud, or when the updraft stop or slow down. Certain part of the world receive more hail than the other. The approach of the summer monsoon season in the India brings severe thunderstorm, often with the tornado and hail. A particular deadly hailstorm in the Moradabad, India, and the 1888 killed more than 250 people. There China also expressing their frequent of hailstorm as the part of the Midwestern United States. In fact, the Great Plain region of the United States and Canada is called Hail Alley. Hail Alley, there the hailstone can cause the extreme damage to the building, vehicles and the crops, and not the surprisingly people have tried to the find away and friend hail. In the 18th century, European began trying to prevent hail by firing cannons into the cloud and rising charge the belts. In the 20th century, Russia and the United States tried and cloud seeding, and cloud seeding is adding the chemical particles into the cloud storm rockets or aircraft. Cloud seeding is throughout to control rain and hail. So there are the hailstorm damage. Hail can be cause the serious damage notable to the aircraft, automobile, glass and structural, and the skylights, and beside the crops, people and livestock. Hailstorm occurring primarily in the month of March and April cause the maximum damage to rabi crops when it is ripening for the first, and when mango orchard are the flowing. One of the most damaging hailstorm hit northern India city Moradabad on the April 30, 1988. In this result, death of 246 people in the addition into 1,600 livestock fatalities in the 2015 India. Suffer estimated loss approx 20,453 crore rupees due to the unseasonal rain and hailstorm in the March. So definitely also there are the broad international, also there are the United States get the large share of the hail each every year, resulting 1 billion USD damage. The Australia has the history of both small and large hailstorm, although the 1999 hailstorm remaining one of the worst of the record, when around the hail in the million tons of the hail fall from the sky during single hailstorm in the Sydney on April 14, 1999, ravaged abroad roof 220,000 houses and 40,000 vehicles and 25 aircrafts, resulting weapon loss over 1.7 billion USD. And favorable condition for hailstorm is very important for geographical context. And the hailstorm into the storm updrift and region of the thunderstorm, atmospheric condition favorable for the formation of hail and varying thunderstorm, such as the high degree of instability, high moisture content, low freezing level, and high vertical wind shear. This is very important. There are the hailstorm occur mostly over mid-latitude continental regions and decrease in the frequently towards the pole and equator and the over ocean and sea, with the expectation of the Kericho and which is located close equator at the elevation 7,200 feet in Kenya, and get an annual average 50 days of the hail. The hail at Kericho is typically small but frequent. Other regions of significant hailstorm occurrence in the world include the Great Plains of the United States, such as the Australia, China, India, Central Europe and Central Asia, and adjoining part of Russia. In India, the favorable hail conditions are made by the active western disturbance during the winter and the pre-monsoon season. Low level circulation associated with the western disturbance, midly level through the westerly winds and presence of the jet stream and higher level provide favorable condition for the formation of hail bearing thunderstorm along the line of discontinuity over north of northeast India. During the passage of the indicate there circulate the deep and westerly throats belt of the hailstorm extends to central India and time of the Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka. Hailstorm occurrence over is the maximum over the northeast and western Himalaya, followed by Vidarbha and eastern Maharashtra part, and part of the Madhya Pradesh and Jharkhand and southern state generally do not experience the hailstorm, but sometimes a small fall of the hailstorm. And generally most hailstorm over north and northeast and central India occurs from January to May, with the month of March and April recording the highest numbers of the latitudinal and longitudinal distribution, with the monthly frequent and diurnal variation hailstorm over the northeast India. And must in this figure, so there are the variation latitudinal and longitudinal distribution of hailstorm, with there are the monthly and during the variation of our northeast India, and the A and B there are longitudinal structure in the hailstorm. And there are the table report guides, there are the hailstorm, there are in the reporting guides the hailstorm. So hail formation process is very important in the scientific. Hail forms are the super cool droplets, ice crystal, and water freeze up in the amphibia of the hailstorm. Hence hail from gravity will bring the hail to the earth's surface. It is updrift in the stronger than the pull of gravity. The hailstorm will continue to grow once the hail reaches size that the updraft cannot longer keep aloft the hail and stone like the make swap on the down. And in this figure must will carefully seen. Here the water droplet is carried upward within the thunderstorm, number 1, and there are the number 2 subspectral moisture freezing into the droplets surface forming ice layer and the amphibian hailstorm. As number 3, as it is gets the heavier gravity pulls into and down, and number 4, the strong winds and then the sucking back and upward as the process continue, and thick layers in the ice accumulate on the hailstorm surface and the hail grow in the size. So definitely is this very important. The first there are the stage number 1, there are the freezing water droplet is swept up by the currents within the thunder clouds, and number 2, the supercooled moisture freezings into the droplet surface forming a layer of ice, and number 3, as it gets the heavier gravity pull in the down, and number 4, then it is the sucked back upward by the strong updrift, and hailstorm need to 60 meter per hour updrift to the air to form. And number 5, as the process continues, thick layer of the ice accumulate the hailstorm surface, and number 6, eventually gravity pull the hail and through warm wet cloud waves in the finally to be in the ground. Is very important in the systematically how a hailstone forms. So there are the structure of hailstorm is very important on the cartoon. Through the hailstorm, one can see the ring of ice, and some ring are milky white and the other are clear, which this suggests that the hailstone can grow by 2 different processes. Wet and dry is very important. The wet growth occurs when the hailstorm is in the storm where in the air temperature is below freezing but not super cloud. When the hailstorm collide with a drop of water, the water does not immediately freezing on the ice, and insteadly the liquid water spread over the hailstone and slow freezing. During the siege, slow freezing air bubbles can escape, forming the layer of the clear ice. So, and these are this dry growth of hailstorm occurs when the air temperature is well and below freezing. In these are condition, water droplets and freezes immediately upon the cooling with the hailstorm. Air bubbles quickly freeze in place and leveling the cloud ice and containing the layer of the clearly milky white ice gives and the indicates how many times the hailstone travel to the drop of the storm. Next I explain the hailstone shape. Basically detail I explain, must you will carefully listen. Hailstone can be as large as oranges and the grapefruit suggests. The hailstone collide with the each other and freeze together. They can form hailstones with a large variety of aerodynamic shape. There are the hailstone are commonly spherical and conical and free-shaped, and the ellipsoids and the discoid in shape. In the shape are circular at smaller size of the irregular at the larger size. The shape is used as a guide for reporting hail size by the comparing it to object of the same diameter for simplicity in the reporting. So condition there are depends, and the giant hailstone are usually regularly in the shape exist if they are the vigor and size very weak, and such hailstone is 20 centimeter diameter fall in 23rd July 2010, which was the largest hailstone recovered in the US. There are the unconfirmed report Gopalganj district, Bangladesh, having been hit by the 1 kg hailstone, the heaviest hailstone known on April 14, 1986. So is the very records and the future and present times. And hailstorm observation is very important. Hailstorm report are based on observation of the hail falling on the ground, and saying hailstorm is mesoscale phenomena. It occur in a limited area, thus unreported in the remote area. However, radar is an extremely useful tool in the detection of any hydrometer in the atmosphere. The reflective of any cloud in the dependent on the number of types and size of the hydrometers, which include rain, snow and hail. Today, dual dolometric radars are able to detect hail from depends in the radar reflectively of the rain and hail at horizontal and vertical linear polarization. These techniques hold great the promise in improving the detection of the hailstorm. So hailstorm climatology, it is very important. There are the advanced microwave scanning radiometer for the earth observing system allow the unique and constant their compression between the regions that cannot be otherwise. That compare using ground based records, and there are the many literature and the study so that the severe hailstorm are indicate in a broad region of the northern Argentina and southern Paraguay and the smaller region in Bangladesh and eastern India. Numerous hailstorms are also estimated in the central and southeastern United States, northern Pakistan and northwestern India, central, western and southeastern Africa. Fewer hailstorms are estimated for the other region overland and scattered across subtropical ocean. Also, hail suppression, basically the need to protect crop from the damage and caused by hailstorm has been a matter of interest among scientists since 1896, when Albert Stinger using the hail cannon to the protect archive in the Satria, Australia. However, since the Vietnam and there are the crystal atmospheric 1946 hail suppression program having the undertaken by the 15 nation, and cloud seeding in the undertaking so to the reduce accumulation of the large amount of super cooled water by the superlying the cloud with the numerous freezing nuclei capable of the converting water to ice. This prevents the growth of large hailstorms. Smaller hailstones are believed to conflict lesser damage. On the early ambitious project were those by the Russian and the different region of the world, and also they are analytic, although there have been much interest in the hail supermission and lack of adequate standard of the determined success and otherwise experiments undertaken and the leaves and the efficiency open doubt. However, the research has clarity and lot of more information on hail formation. Thank you, must will watching and must will watching my another video of my channel. Thank you to all.